Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul deal that you can do now. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just like, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went to another store trying to see what they had. They had some stuff, but you know how Wi-Fi don't really work in some of these stores? Oh my God. I hate going in this store, but they be having some of the stuff that I need. So they had some stuff, but not a whole lot of stuff. I guess that's what you want to call it. But the Wi-Fi wasn't working. And if the Wi-Fi don't work, y'all, and it doesn't scan for it, I do not buy it. I just put it back on the shelf. I know that they have the product, but like I said, if the Wi-Fi don't work when I scan, I do not buy the product. I just put it back on there, and I just go, because sometimes if you go around the store, some of the Wi-Fi works, some of it don't. Sometimes I put it inside my basket, try to go an area where the Wi-Fi will work, but then it don't work. So it's like, I don't have time for that. So I just put it back out. But this is what I'm bringing to you all today. Okay. So the first thing is the arms. And I do have a nice, old, beautiful doggy. She is a Shih Tzu mix. Her name is Ginger. So she loves, and we've been trying out different kinds of dog food that she would like, as far as the chicken and the grains and stuff like it. And she loves this one. I think I have a winner. Y'all done went through so many dog food with her that she does not like certain dog food. And if she don't like it, she spits it out. Okay? She spits it out. So I'm picking up dog food. So I'm like, I'm wasting. So I'm like, no, we're going to have to find something. So these Iams mini chunks chicken and whole grain recipe. She loves this. So I am going to be picking up 2 more of these, because these, y'all, they are not on sale. They are $6.50. Okay. But there is a $3 off digital coupon that is attaching. This is good for a 5 off of 25, but I said, you know what? My dog needs it. My baby needs it. So I'm going to go ahead and pick her up a bag right now. Then I'll be getting the other 2 later on. So, like I said, these are $6.50, a $3 off digital coupon. So then the next thing is, y'all, the Colgate. It's back. Colgate. All right, the Colgate Max Fresh is $3. There is a $2.50 off digital coupon that is attaching. Okay, you just want to scan your product and keep it moving. Okay, and also it the value pack, it scans for the value pack too on the $2 off digital. So you want to be kind of, tricky, because it'll be tricky on there. So you want to try to make sure that if you have like this one and the double ones in your transaction, make sure that you scan the single Colgate first before they scan the double one, because the $2 will attach to this one first, the single one first, before, and then the 6, if you got the 6 off of 2, then it will attach to that one after. Okay, because you don't want to have that, the 6, attaching to the double ones first, and then this one, it won't be free. Well, almost free. So, like I said, you always want to put the Colgate Max Fresh or the single one first before the double, okay? The next thing is the Axe. The Axe is $2.50. There is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. Now, I think this is an old digital. I'm not for sure. You just might want to check your app to double check and see, okay? Then the last thing are these Tostinos pizza rolls. This is combination. Also, they have pepperoni. This is good for the little kiddos, or this is good for a grown-up, you know, if you want to take your lunch and you can just heat it up in the microwave, or if you just want it for a snack. It's just not always for, you know, kiddies, okay? Also, if you have an air fryer, they're saying it's good for the air fryer, okay? So, these are $2, and there is a 75-cent digital coupon that is attaching. That 75 digital coupon, I know it is an old coupon because I said I wasn't going to use it yet. But I went ahead and put it into this transaction because I was going to get something else, but I decided not to. So I got the pizza rolls, okay? So after she scanned everything and all the digitals came off, my subtotal was $7.25. Yes, $7.25. So let me show you my receipt. There we go. There's the Axe, the Iams, the Colgate, and the pizza rolls. $7.25. You know, everybody's taxes is different. Look at the total savings. $6.75. Yes. And a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. So this right here, y'all, is my Dollar General haul. Deals that you can do now. I would just like, if you would just like, subscribe to my channel. Also, there is another Dollar General video that I did go ahead and for you all to see. Just click on the screen and you will see it, and check that video out. And thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.